everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave feedback for a seller on Facebook Marketplace. The reason you want to know this is that leaving feedback helps others make informed decisions about who to buy from. It also allows you to share your experience with the seller, whether it's positive or negative, and helps improve the overall buying experience for everyone on the platform. This video is especially useful for anyone who buys on Facebook Marketplace and wants to contribute to the community by leaving helpful feedback for sellers. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to leave feedback for a seller on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing is first, you're going to want to go to your Facebook app. Now you might just have it on your homepage. What I do is I just pull it down, type in the app I'm looking for. So in this case, it's Facebook, and it'll pop up right here. So you'll see your homepage, you'll see everything like that. But what you really want to focus on is down here. You'll see your profile picture right next to notifications. So click on that, and you'll see everything right here. And so you will then want to go to your inbox. Now, mind you, if you want to rate a seller, you would have actually had to complete the transaction with them. Otherwise, you're just going to be able to report a seller. So in this case, we'll choose this one. I didn't actually buy this truck, so for me, all it will say is report seller. But if you did and you're actually wanting to rate the seller positively or negatively, it'll say more options. You just click on that, it'll do a drop down video, and then you just hit review seller. And it's really as simple as that. Now, if it is a scam or anything like that, you just hit report seller and then go through the same process. Facebook is really good about guiding you through the whole thing step by step. It's really unconfusing and very straightforward to do. So now that we covered all the important stuff, let's cover some additional tips before wrapping up this video. Tip number one is feedback is only available after a transaction is marked as complete. So ensure the seller has marked the item as sold to you. Tip number two is to be honest and constructive with your feedback to help others make better decisions. Tip three is if you've had a bad experience, try resolving the issue with the seller before leaving negative feedback. The final tip is feedback is permanent, so double check your comments before submitting them. And with the tutorial and the tips wrapped up, that's really all there is to this video. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like, and also try and share it with a friend or a family member. And most importantly of all, please be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials. And with all of that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.